All the 14 finalists over here. Katrina, just a quick word. The kind of performances you've seen today, I mean, be it acting, dancing, you know, they are kind of affiliated to your job. And apart from that, you know, just the general level of competition you've actually witnessed over here. So, just share your impressions.
Well, I think it's really nice to be here with all of you today. And you guys have got an amazing amount of enthusiasm and energy, and I think that's really special and it's wonderful. And for all the girls who performed here today, I mean, I have my personal favorites, but I have to wait until the prizes are given. I can't say it right now, but I'll say it after. But I think you all were amazing. It takes a great amount of confidence to come up on the stage and perform in front of who I think some of are your school peers who you go to school with every day. And I wish you all the best, really. I think you're all fantastic.
Thank you, Katrina. And now, well, all the girls, all the 14, you would be getting certificates from Katrina. First up, Sanskriti Kumar. Come on, guys, clap for her, please. All the girls. Next up, we have Deepika Sehdev. Purnima, Shilpa, Kanika, Jessie, Karishma, Preeti, next up, Niharika,